Welcome to solverfy.
So UV light, I'm going to put this in quotations, and infrared light, again in the quotations. This is misleading because light, the word light can, rather, we could say is defined as waves we can perceive with the human eye. Now again, UV light, or in this sense, UV and infrared radiation are outside the visible electromagnetic spectrum. So essentially, these are misleading names because you can't see UV radiation and you can't see infrared radiation because, again, they're outside of the visible electromagnetic spectrum. Now, why don't we hear people talking about radio light and X-ray light? It's simply because of the words. Ultraviolet, we can see violet and we can see the color red. So more people are going to say UV light or infrared light because you can see violet and red light. However, one cannot see X-rays or radio waves. So essentially, because we can't see them and their names don't include a color, essentially that's what it comes down to, is because UV light, the name includes violet, and so people often say that, oh, it's UV light or infrared light. But again, light is strictly defined as waves that we can perceive with the human eye and inside the visible electromagnetic spectrum. So one cannot see X-rays or radio waves, and that's why we don't hear people saying X-ray light or radio wave light or radio light or X-ray light. No one says that because it's simply the inclusion of the color inside the word. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.